Hey Dave, it's Scott Walker. We just spoke on the phone, and I wanted to shoot this quick video showing you some tips and tricks on how to improve your online presence to get more leads, especially taking them from SafeLight. So, I always start with your website. I'll go over ads and then your Google Business Profile. And if you like what you see, let's set up a discovery call, make sure we're a good fit, and if not, no harm, no foul. So first off, your website right here. I always recommend more content for your website, and that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page, and throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And what that is to me is a location and a service. So for you in particular, like windshield replacement, Castle Rock, that would be a good buyer intent keyword because it's in your area and what you do. The other thing to do is if you save your images correctly, instead of it saying this right here, you could have it be a buyer intent keyword because it's embedded behind the photo and it'll count as a keyword as well. So I do use a tool called Ahrefs to show me your analytics and kind of where you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100 and you want those continuously moving up while also balanced. You're currently at 0.1 and 5 due to your referring pages and domains. And what those are backlinks, and if you don't know what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to make sure to stay relevant to your industry and also your location. It looks like you're being indexed for 16 keywords and you're getting roughly 0 people to your website, and when it's that low, your website's acting like a digital business card instead of an online lead generating tool. And looking at some of the keywords that you are being found for, so it looks like you had SafeLight, Castle Rock was on there, which is interesting, but it is lost. So, but like windshield repair, Castle Rock, there's 20 searches a month, and you're in the 35th position, which means you're in on the 4th page of Google. Windshield replacement, there's 90 searches, you're on the 42nd. So those are the types of buyer intent keywords that I go after. Glass repair, not so much, because that could be residential or commercial, not necessarily auto. I don't know if you do that, but just FYI. But those are the types of buyer intent keywords that I would go after. And then if you're, if you have any other surrounding areas near you that you service, you could also be adding those locations to your keyword as well. So I did just look up windshield replacement Castle Rock, and it looks like there's a couple people running some Google ads, and this is my primary focus for most auto glass companies. If you were to ever run ads, I do recommend trying to get all of this keyword, or as much as possible, into your ad somewhere. Like SafeLight, they say replacement right here, but they don't say windshield. Auto glass windshield free mobile service, that's not the same thing, and it just says auto glass. So the closer you can get to having this exact keyword inside of the ad for each particular search, the better click-through rate you're going to have. And then when you have them go to a landing page, you want click to call right up top, form submit, what you do, where you do it, and if you run any promotions right here with the background of, like if it's a windshield replacement, someone replacing a windshield, preferably you, or any of your employees. That way that they know that they landed on it on the right page and the right location. So the other things that I do is optimize Google Business Profiles, and it looks like you're right here, which is great. I'm going to just tell you, I do recommend getting more reviews. The only reason I say that is that's the biggest thing that agencies can't do. Looks like you're doing pretty well otherwise. I have a little trick that I can help you get more reviews from your clients as you do more tasks for them. I did forget to go over this. This is literally just Castle Rock, Colorado. And if you look right here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 searches. These ones right here that are all just windshield replacement or very close to. And you're looking at about 350, 400 searches just between those 5 keywords. So if we get put in front of these 5 people, that's going to be how we can get you some leads quickly for you. So, that's about 20 a day that people are searching for. And then we move down into your where your website would rank. And it looks, I never really compare to SafeLight just because I don't like to, but Castle Rock Auto Glass right here is one of your top competitors. And looking at their website, they don't have too much more content on here. But, they do have a few more referring pages and domains, so once you start to outrank your competitors with your website by having those authoritative keywords, the backlinks and citations, you can start to outrank them. And with Castle Rock in it, so ads are a little bit different. You don't have to have the location, but for your website, I do recommend having it. There's about 200 searches each month that have just Castle Rock. So if you have any other surrounding areas, we might be able to add more and more. But the more you rank for your different the more you rank your website, these people who are looking for that are buyer intent searches will go to your website instead of your competitors. And then a percentage of those people going to your website will give you a call or form submit, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Dave, I hope this was beneficial for you. If you like what you see, let's set up a discovery call after you watch this, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.